Hi there, students. An abyss. Abyss. Okay, this is a countable noun. An abyss is a very deep hole that doesn't seem to have a bottom to it. So he fell into an abyss, a chasm, a huge deep gully, a sinkhole. Yeah? And this is the meaning of an abyss. But very often nowadays we use this maybe metaphorically to say a great space. So there is a widening abyss between the rich and the poor. So a huge hole, yeah. Um, the abyss between the lives of people in Europe and the lives of the poor in the third world. Okay, let's see. In the Bible, in the book of Genesis, the abyss is the primeval chaos out of which the earth and the sky were formed. And then later on, they use the abyss to talk about hell, where the evil spirits live. Yeah, the bottomless pit. You'll hear hell referred to as the bottomless pit. So that's it, the theological version of it. So in physical geography, this is a deep hole, yeah, a deep chasm. But then we use it to describe anything that it appears to be endless. It's immeasurably deep, yeah. So the abyss of time. Yeah, he was in an abyss of shame, in the abyss of despair. He just didn't know what to do. So the abyss, also the lowest, most hopeless situation. The country is on the edge of an abyss. It's on the brink of an abyss. Yeah, it's on the brink of a cataclysm, a disaster, of something that's going to be really serious. And then we have this idea of a gap, yeah, a difference, a gulf. So how big is the abyss between their 2 points of view? Yeah, the disagreement. Yeah, there is an abyss between the two negotiating parties, and I don't think it's going to be possible to reach an agreement, for them to reach an agreement, no matter how hard we negotiate. So, the abyss, hell, yeah, the bottomless pit. Notice with the an abyss, a huge deep hole, yeah, which goes deep into the ground. And then, more figuratively, a bottomless depth, an unfathomed depth, a chasm, a deep space between two things. Notice as well, we also actually have the adjective abysmal. But the meaning of abysmal means something that's really, really, really bad. His English is abysmal. He just cannot speak English. Yeah, I would like to apologize for my abysmal mathematics. Okay, so it comes from the idea of hell, but abysmal, absolutely terrible. So this is rather different from abyss. Yeah. Okay, so there is an abyss between them, a huge space. The abyss between the stars, something that's immeasurably large, anything that's infinite or profound. And then the abyss. He fell into the abyss of drug addiction, moral depravity, or the worst immoral depths. Okay, and then figuratively, a large difference, especially between groups. There is an abyss between what the company will accept and what the strikers are demanding. So, as to origin, well, it, let's see, it comes from late Latin abyssus, a bottomless gulf, which itself comes from ancient Greek abyssos, meaning bottomless, a without, not, and busos, a deep place. Okay, so the abyss, yeah, we don't want to fall into the abyss. An abyss is a huge hole. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Abyss. Abysmal.